Many times retail investors go and pick small stocks, small cap, micro cap stocks where there is a lot of liquidity issues. So because of their recent high performance or high growth, these retail investors start buying these stocks. But before buying, you should be very aware whether is your stock very liquid. That is, whenever you want to sell your stocks, will there be someone buying it from you? So many times it so happens that there are people go and buy penny stocks where pump and dump strategies are played by brokers and agents, and hence you go and buy the stock at high prices, and when you want to sell it, there is no buyer and it hits a lower circuit. So you need to be very aware of these kind of frauds that are going on because of the illiquidity of a particular stock.